How to check your graphics card on Windows 10. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, we will be discussing how to check graphics card on Windows 10. So now let's get started. One of the easiest way to check your graphics card on Windows 10 is by using the DirectX diagnostic tool, which provides detailed information about your graphics card. To access it, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run dialog box. Then type the command shown on the screen and now click the OK button. This will open the DirectX diagnostic tool. Now next, navigate to the Display tab where you will find the information about your graphics card including the manufacturer, model number, total memory, and the current driver version. So this is how to check your graphics card on Windows 10. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.